Okay, so anyway, this is a little sluice box I made while using a water bottle. I'm just gonna call it, Sam's Club water bottle. And it basically works as putting the sand in what you would see as the opening, putting it under your sink like so, and having it run off into a bin to catch your tailings. Now, I had an assistant for the original video, but he lives in another state. So, how did I come up with this idea? Well, throwing my concentrates into my water bottle I had at the time, which is here. Anyway, while fooling around with it, I realized that the sand catches in the riffles of the bottle. Now, I'm not really in a gold-rich area, so I can't really show you with actual gold. I'm just kind of hoping. I've seen like little 50 mesh size pieces and smaller around here. Not really nuggety chunky gold, but I'm going to try and do this one-handed so you can kind of figure out how it works, whatever. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the material from, excuse me, I'm doing this with one hand, but bring it over to the sluice box. Going to dump it right in the top of the water bottle. Bring that back. Now, again, I'm going to say, forgive me for doing this with one hand. But, okay. Phone's memory keeps dropping low, but anyway, you saw the material run. I'm going to do it one more time, just hopefully this shows on camera this time. It doesn't cut me off halfway through. Again, I'm going to turn the water on, put it in the opening, give it a good angle, watching all the rocks run down the sluice. I can easily pick out what I don't want. Grab the camera again, hopefully I don't drop it this time. And you can see all my black sand is going to be up front. And the more and more I go down, the more you'll see more of the blonde sand, but that can be panned out later. So simply for you're bored, middle of winter, 8 feet of snow outside, you can run this with only a little bit of water, recycle it if you want, and just keep dumping on top. I made this with about 3 water bottles or so, stapled it together, overlapped it, or should I say overlapped it from here and there, so that way when the water runs down the sluice box, it doesn't catch underneath the other ones. So that's my way of putting it. I've also started working on a Mark II, a little bit thicker because I doubled up on the plastic, and you can actually see how big the riffles are compared to my finger, but that catches all the rocks quite finely if you're looking for garnets. Golds can be easily cleaned out. I'm simply going to take this little piece of Tupperware. I'm going to take this and just simply tap it out. If I need to, I can simply turn on the water and wash it right out. Now it's clean. I'm going to end up panning it. The only thing is, all my panning equipment is in storage. I'm working with what I got. it's eco-friendly, it's recyclable. Just took a couple water bottles like this. Okay, so for the final take of this, past couple times I've tried to do videos of this, and I keep running out of memory on the phone. So, again, sluice box, prototype. It's a little flimsy, but you know what? It's nothing I'd put in the stream. It's for use simply here in the sink. So, you're bored, you know, you have something to wash dirt and sand with. Anyway, again, Mark II, just stapled together, doubled up. So, again, it's recyclable, it's eco-friendly, and it's practical. I can get about 80% of my black sands going into the bin, probably about 20% of mine, but again, it's not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be, you know, for now, you know, so that way you can see how it works. Hopefully Mark II, or possibly in the future Mark III, can eventually be made and made more useful. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please hit like if you agree that this is kind of a cool idea, but please hit subscribe if you want. I don't know when my next video will be. So yeah, thanks for watching, peeps.